One of my favorite ways to build out an outfit for spring or summer is to revolve it around my shoes and its shoe choice. And 9 times out of 10, I am opting for the comfortable classic shoes that can be super versatile. So in today's video, I want to show you my #1 pair of spring and summer shoes and how you can make both classic and also very playful outfits for the upcoming season. Spring is such a transition season. Sometimes I feel like even more than fall, with very chilly, often mornings and evenings, and then warmer in the afternoons. So I have found that having a shoe that covers your entire foot is really wonderful for being able to regulate your body temperature and keep yourself both warm and cool depending on what the day brings. So today I wanted to talk all about the white leather tennis shoe, how it can be integrated into your wardrobe, how you can style it, how you can wear it for not just the season ahead, but all 4 seasons. I have 2 different pairs of white leather sneakers in my wardrobe. I have had both of these pairs for many years now and have found them so versatile and classic. So the first pair I wanted to talk about is the Sezane Jack sneakers in the colorway Ecru. And like I said, I have had Sezane Jack trainers, is what they're called on the Sezane website, for almost about 5 years now. I started off with a pair of like a blush pink pair. I actually still have those. And then about 2 years ago, I added in the Ecru pair because that like white ivory color I just found so incredibly versatile. So I think that these shoes are absolutely such a staple. I use these to kind of dress up my wardrobe a little bit. When I want to wear a pair of white leather sneakers, I use these as kind of my dressier pair. They fit true to size, they're incredibly comfortable. The leather is very soft and very forgiving, so you can absolutely wear these with very minimal break-in time, and they're very comfortable if you're walking around a city or sitting at a desk. So these are an absolute must-have for my wardrobe. And like I mentioned, because of their slimmer and a bit more refined style, I really like to pair these with some of the dressier outfits in my wardrobe, primarily skirts and dresses, especially as we head into spring and summer. A ribbed mini dress with a jacket for an extra layer looks really amazing with these shoes. They just add a bit of casual elegance to the look without making it look too informal. I also love pairing these with a midi skirt and either a blouse or a t-shirt or even a tank top if the weather permits. Again, it's just a bit of an elevated look, but the sneakers just add a bit of intrigue to the ensemble without making it seem very too casual. And a long sleeve midi dress is perfect for spring, and you could dress it up with a fancy bag and accessories, or wear it unexpectedly casual with a baseball hat and a backpack. And then black trousers and a white tee is one of my favorite looks for the season. It's easy and elegant without being too stuffy. If you're working in an office, this is a great look that's very reminiscent of J. Crew 10 years ago, which is definitely very much in style these days. The second pair of white leather sneakers I want to highlight are the Everlane Re-Leather sneaker in white. I have been constantly impressed with the Everlane shoe selection. I have a few pairs myself, whether they be heels, sandals, or these sneakers, and I have found them to be just incredibly comfortable, again, very versatile. These come in 2 different colorways. I would say that they fit true to size with a slightly wider footbed than the Sezane sneakers have, but they're very comfortable. They're a little heavier because of the gum sole, and so I like to style these with a bit more casual outfits in my wardrobe. Everything from jeans to athleisure to monochromatic looks. Again, you could definitely just use one pair for everything. They are that versatile, but I really find having 2 different pairs and different styles just add a little bit of extra to my wardrobe that I think is perfect for the spring and summer season. So like I said, because these are a bit more on the casual side in my mind, I do like to pair these a little more casually in my wardrobe. So I really like an all white look that's really classic for spring, and a straight leg denim works so well with this style of shoe. And for petites, it's an exceptionally flattering style. And when the weather is a little warmer, you could definitely do shorts in a sweater or sweatshirt, and it pairs really, really nicely with these sneakers. And then this whole 90s style jean trend is my go-to for the season, and although I love the look of them with heels, a more casual and effortless pairing is with these white sneakers. You can add a slightly oversized tee, add a belt bag, add a backpack, and you have a really lovely look. And finally, the most classic way to wear these sneakers are still with athleisure. So make it a bit more chic with a belt bag, add a bit of a monochromatic look, a baseball hat, and you are good to go. So without a doubt, both pairs of sneakers are ones that I would highly recommend, but there are so many different brands and styles of white leather sneakers and trainers out there that are just ready to be discovered and loved by you all. As always, I will link all of the information about the sneakers themselves, and then also all the pieces that you saw today with the outfits in the description down below. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week, and we'll see you in the next video.